How carbide burr tools are used for custom fabrication and chassis work in racing. Carbide burr tools are essential in racing fabrication because they allow builders to quickly and accurately modify metal components that make up a race vehicle. Custom race cars are rarely built using only factory parts. Many components must be fabricated, modified, or precisely fitted to handle extreme horsepower, high speeds, and the stresses created during competition. From drag racing and NASCAR to road racing and off-road competition, carbide burrs are used throughout race shops for creating stronger, lighter, and better-fitting components. One of the most common uses for carbide burrs in racing fabrication is creating custom brackets and mounting components. Race vehicles often require custom brackets for engines, transmissions, suspension components, fuel systems, electronics, cooling systems, and aerodynamic parts. Factory brackets are usually not designed for the extreme conditions found in racing. Fabricators often start with raw aluminum, steel, or chromoly material and use carbide burrs to shape the part into the exact design required. Carbide burrs allow builders to remove excess material, create mounting holes, enlarge openings, and fine-tune the fit of components. This precision is important because racing parts must fit tightly and withstand extreme vibration and forces. A poorly fitted bracket can fail under racing conditions, causing expensive damage or even safety issues. Roll cage construction is one of the most important areas where carbide burrs are used in race car fabrication. A roll cage is designed to protect the driver during a crash and strengthen the vehicle chassis. Building a high-quality roll cage requires extremely accurate tubing preparation. Before tubes are welded together, they often need to be notched so that they fit perfectly against other tubes. Carbide burrs are used to smooth and adjust these tube notches after cutting. They help remove small imperfections, create proper fitment, and prepare the metal for strong welds. A precise tube fit creates a larger welding surface area, resulting in stronger joints. This is especially important in drag racing vehicles that experience violent launches and extreme chassis forces. The chassis is the foundation of a race car. It must be strong enough to handle acceleration, braking, cornering forces, and engine torque. Carbide burrs are used to modify chassis components and reinforce weak areas. Fabricators use them to remove excess metal, reshape mounting points, smooth weld areas, and prepare surfaces for reinforcement plates. For example, a racing team may add chassis braces or gussets to increase rigidity. Carbide burrs allow these components to be fitted precisely against the existing structure. A stronger chassis improves handling, reduces flex, and allows the suspension to work more effectively. Race suspension systems are often heavily modified compared to factory designs. Carbide burrs are used to modify suspension brackets, control arm mounts, shock mounts, and steering components. Fabricators may need to adjust mounting locations to improve suspension geometry. Small changes in suspension angles can dramatically affect traction, handling, and tire wear. Carbide burrs allow builders to make controlled modifications without removing excessive material. This precision is especially important in professional racing, where suspension setup can determine race performance. High-performance racing engines produce significantly more power and vibration than factory engines. Because of this, race teams often build custom engine and transmission mounting systems. Carbide burrs are used to shape engine plates, transmission brackets, and mounting adapters. They allow fabricators to create exact clearances between the engine, chassis, exhaust system, and drivetrain components. Proper engine positioning is important because it affects weight distribution, drivetrain alignment, and vehicle balance. a small alignment problem can create excessive stress on drivetrain components. Welding is a major part of race car fabrication. However, welds often require finishing after they are completed. Carbide burrs are used to clean weld areas, remove excess material, and smooth rough surfaces. They can remove unwanted weld buildup without damaging surrounding metal. This is useful when preparing surfaces for additional welding or when creating a cleaner finished appearance. In racing, weld quality is extremely important because components experience repeated stress cycles. Many race cars use tubular chassis designs. Examples include drag racing chassis, off-road racing vehicles, and custom-built road racing cars. Before tubes can be welded together, they must be accurately shaped to fit against each other. Carbide burrs are used to fine-tune tube ends after cutting. They help create smooth, precise joints that allow welds to penetrate properly. A better tube fit results in a stronger and more durable chassis structure. Weight reduction is one of the biggest priorities in racing. A lighter vehicle accelerates faster, brakes easier, and can handle better. Carbide burrs are used to remove unnecessary material from certain components while maintaining strength. Fabricators can carefully lighten brackets, mounts, and other non-critical parts. The goal is not simply removing metal, but strategically removing weight without weakening the component. Professional race teams spend significant time finding areas where weight can be reduced safely. Exhaust systems in racing are often custom-built for maximum performance. Carbide burrs are used when modifying headers, collectors, exhaust flanges, and tubing. Fabricators use them to smooth welds, remove internal restrictions, and blend transitions. A smoother exhaust path helps gases flow more efficiently. Improved exhaust flow can increase horsepower and improve engine response. Many racing components are made from aluminum because it is lightweight and strong. Examples include intake manifolds, brackets, engine parts, transmission components, and suspension pieces. Carbide burrs are especially useful for aluminum fabrication because they remove material quickly. Special aluminum-cut carbide burrs are designed with larger cutting flutes to reduce chip loading. This prevents aluminum from sticking to the cutting edges and improves cutting performance. Race chassis are often built from chromoly steel because of its excellent strength-to-weight ratio. Carbide burrs are used to shape chromoly tubing, brackets, and reinforcement pieces. They allow fabricators to make accurate adjustments without damaging the material. Double-cut carbide burrs are often preferred because they provide better control and smoother cutting action. Carbide burrs are valuable because they combine speed, precision, and durability. Race fabrication requires removing metal quickly while maintaining exact control. Traditional files and grinding wheels may be too slow or difficult to control for detailed modifications. Carbide burrs allow builders to make professional-level modifications efficiently. In racing, small details can make a major difference. A stronger bracket, better-fitting chassis component, lighter part, or improved suspension mount can contribute to better performance and reliability. From building championship-winning race cars to modifying weekend track vehicles, carbide burr tools are one of the most important hand tools used in custom automotive fabrication.